Hi friends, I am Harry Viral. Today I am here to show you how to convert more video to MP4 using VLC.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.